Hello everyone. In this session we learn about applications of neural networks. So nowadays neural networks are being used in many AI models. We can see a lot of applications using neural networks. Let us go one by one. First area where these neural networks are used extensively are computer vision. So applications that use computer vision, they are being developed using neural networks. What are the applications means? Applications like image classification, like we have to identify the objects in that image. What are the objects, their location, where, how they appearing in the image. All these things we can use these image classification algorithms. Second, object detection, like you already know, aware of these self-driving cars. When a car drives autonomously on the roads, it has to identify the objects, which are what are the objects present on the road and how long they are, proximity of those objects near the car. All these things identified through a neural networks, like detecting pedestrians, detecting the signs on the road. These many tasks are involved in these self-driving cars. All those are developed by training the neural networks. Third one, face recognition. Many security systems and Facebook tagging where areas where huge crowd is present. In those areas, identifying a face is done through the neural networks, applications of neural networks. Medical imaging, identifying objects in the images. Let the doctors take effective decisions while curing the patient. Detection of the tumors in X-rays and MRIs, they are also using neural network application. So these kind of image classification, object detection, face recognition, medical imaging models, most of them they use the convolutional neural network models as part of their application. Second category of applications, like natural language processing. These applications they require a lot of training on different languages. One of the application we see is language translation, where example like Google Translate that translates our sentences from one language to another language. Chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT means they take the command from the user in a natural language and execute the commands that require a lot of training on how to identify the commands. And text classification, like in our email, spam detection, sentiment analysis in time series data. They also using neural networks. Speech recognition, like transcription apps and voice assistants, they are using neural networks as part of their application. Now these are different tasks involved in, like language translation, chatbots, text classification, speech recognition. They all come under natural language processing models. Here GPT and BERT are very popular in this segment. Third area where neural networks are employed extensively are healthcare. Healthcare has several tasks like disease diagnosis, predicting cancers, diabetes. It requires a lot of training, means correct identifying the problem is important. These are giving accuracy in identifying the diseases because they are trained on so much patient's data. Drug discovery means manufacturing, while manufacturing the drugs. Simulation of molecule interaction is also done by neural networks. patient monitoring, vital signs of the patient in real time. In remote healthcare, people, most of they use these kind of applications. So here in this one, we use the deep neural networks and along with the CNNs, convolutional neural networks. We can see a lot of healthcare models coming up in the market with the help of a neural network. In finance, we use neural networks for fraud detection. Like suppose we are using a credit card, whatever transaction we perform on the credit cards, over the time, if we do it in a wrong transactions, these models can easily identify fraud, means unauthorized access or unauthorized uses of card. They are being detected by neural network models. Stock price prediction, credit scoring, these are all models we employ in finance sector. Fintech people, they use neural networks extensively to predict the their market and forecasting the market. Here we use feed forward networks, LSTM and GANs for these applications. Gaming and reinforcement learning, game playing agents like AlphaGo and Dota, where adversarial applications, where multiplayer games, where opponents they apply the logics. So in this kind of environments, we use the reinforcement learning, where learning by examples. So next area where we use neural network is autonomous systems, like self-driving cars, drones and robots. We use neural models for vision, control and navigations. Recommendation systems, they are using neural networks extensively, like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon. Their models, AI models, they are trained on the behavior of the user. Based on the behavior of the user and his interest, they recommend the videos and products. So they use our last half-field networks and Boltzmann machines to store the behavior of a user in their models. Spotify is another application, music playlist based on our tests. If you regularly listen a particular set of songs, Spotify automatically creates a playlist. That is also application of our neural networks. Next one, creative generative AI models. We can see many models like when we give the features of any photo, DALL-E generating the images, Midjourney, they generate images based on the features we give it. Text generation, ChatGPT and Story, they are very popular in these generative AI models. Music composition means now AI model is generating the music. Here GANs and variation autoencoders are very popular in this segment of generating the data from given features. Image generation, text generation, video generation, music composition. Latest we have seen Netflix is producing a movie with AI model rather than actual real actors. That is also one application of AI. Industrial automation and manufacturing, annual maintenance, predictive maintenance of the items, means their machines. At what time regularly they should go for a service. This kind of decisions also taken by the neural network models. Quality controls, detect the defects in the products. Entire automation is done using the neural network models. And another last one, education and personalized learning. So here NLP models and recommendation systems, they are extensively used in this sector, in this segment, where adaptive learning adjusts difficulty based on student performance, means based on the student perform, whether a poor learner, a fast learner or average learner. Based on his behavior itself, these learning systems will guide the student. automated grading, when they submit their assignments, automated grading also can be done using these neural network models. So we can see a lot of applications are being developed. We can see new models are being released in every 2 months using these neural network models, along with some AIs, their core AI logic. So you can see more number of application in the future. So I am concluding this session. Thank you.